Okay, here's where you would be in a paragraph or in a certain column, and you see this is normally the way that you would see it typed. You see the stragglers, so to speak, but then you look over here and you see, oh my God, they're all lined up. That's what you call justified. So you'll see that in all legal documents, things of that sort. So what you would want to do is you'll be looking for the justified button if you're trying to justify. And if you look up here, you don't see it. You're very seldom using the justified button, but when you're looking for it, you'd like to have it. So what you should do is you go up to the quick access toolbar. That's up here. You click the drop down, that little bitty drop down right here, and go to more commands. And under, you see, it accented quick access toolbar. What you want to go to is you use the drop down here and go to all commands, and it will switch. You see, now you have access to every command that there is. So what you look for, it's alphabetical. You look for the J's for justified. And you see, justified. Now, I can either double click this and it will jump over here and it will show up on the quick access toolbar. Or I can highlight it and click add. Now it's on the quick access toolbar. Watch when I say OK. You see, there it is. So watch the difference. This text will end up just like this text. All the right indent would be squared up. So what you do is you go up here and you click on it. You see? That's how you can justify in your formatting. That's it.